Traditional network penetration targets code and infrastructure. When red teaming large language models, the attack surface shifts to structured strings of natural language text. The objective of this engagement is to evaluate a black box AI assistant. We will systematically extract its hidden instructions, map its available tools, and attempt to inject unauthorized commands. Before sending the first prompt, you must satisfy 3 prerequisites: obtain written authorization, ensure no real user data is exfiltrated, and maintain a verbatim log of every interaction. Adhering to these rules distinguishes a professional security assessment from uncoordinated attempts to bypass chat interfaces. Step 1 is defining what constitutes a successful exploit. We establish these measurable parameters in our logging document before the testing phase begins. We identify 4 signals of vulnerability: leaking the system prompt, unauthorized tool execution, policy violation, or revealing training data. We separate these from general model noise. Hallucinative or unusual responses are behavioral anomalies, not reportable security flaws. Defining these success states prevents wasted cycles and ensures every documented finding is actionable for the development team. Our first active objective is OWASP LLM-07. We are attempting to recover the hidden instructions and constraints that define the model's persona and behavior. Simple commands like ignore previous instructions are easily caught by semantic filters. These defenses evaluate the intent of the user input and block direct overrides. To bypass these filters, we use structured output framing. We ask the AI to act as a debugging assistant and report its internal rules as a JSON object with specific keys like persona and active tools. This exploit works because many models are fine-tuned to be helpful with data formatting. The model may prioritize the request to generate valid JSON over its internal instructions to keep its system prompt hidden. Success is confirmed when the model returns a populated JSON block containing its actual behavioral constraints. Extracting this hidden prompt reveals the specific rules and logic intended to govern the model, exposing the gaps between its configuration and its actual execution. Next, we identify the external capabilities connected to the model, categorized under OWASP LLM-08, excessive agency. We use 3 mapping techniques. First, a placeholder example reveals outgoing data formats. Second, requesting a tool's JSON schema exposes parameter names and constraints. Finally, we use error-based discovery, sending invalid parameters to force the model to return a raw validation trace. These responses often contain critical intelligence, such as internal endpoint URLs, database schemas, or hidden parameter requirements. Every enumerated tool represents a potential path for lateral movement. An unvalidated API allows the model to be used as a vector for data exfiltration or unauthorized internal network requests. We now move from the reconnaissance phase to active attack, focusing specifically on OWASP LLM-01, prompt injection to override system rules. One direct method is the end-of-prompt injection. We provide a document for the AI to summarize, but append a fake delimiter followed by a new instruction to reveal the system prompt. This tests for delimiter confusion. We are checking if the model can be tricked into processing text after a boundary as a high-priority administrative command rather than part of the document. If direct injection is blocked, we use indirect injection. We plant a payload inside a document, like a PDF, instructing the model to ignore previous rules and output user session data. When the user asks the AI to process this poison document, the model executes the hidden instructions as it reads the file. A successful injection breaks the instruction hierarchy, placing user-supplied commands at the same level of authority as the system-level rules. The final stage is the triage of our results, translating chat logs into a structured severity report. We categorize findings by impact. Low severity identifies behavioral anomalies, while medium is assigned for information leakage, like partial prompt extraction. High severity represents a successful policy bypass. We reserve critical for credential theft or full data exfiltration. This classification system ensures that the engineering team can prioritize the most significant risks to the application. We have completed the full methodology, moving from JSON-based reconnaissance to tool mapping, injection, and reporting. This structured, OWASP-aligned approach produces consistent, verifiable results that map directly to industry-standard security frameworks. The next stage of AI red teaming involves chaining these exploits, using reconnaissance to identify a tool, then injection to weaponize it for automated data exfiltration. Professional red teaming is built on systematic mapping and verbatim logging. Follow the methodology, stay within scope, and happy hunting.